Hello, my name is Josué Lebel. Today we are at Avivia, and we're going to show you our facilities. I've been with Avivia for 8 years now, and I am currently the Director of Production. We will show you how the WebCab software helped us increase our productivity. The company has been in business for about 30 years. The production plant is 12,000 square feet. Within that space, we primarily focus on production, with very little storage. We were looking to increase our production capacity, improve efficiency, and better track our production. We also had a lot of paper in the plant, as all our plans were on paper, all our tracking was on paper, and we were printing Excel sheets to give employees their tasks for the day. That's exactly what we tried to eliminate to move forward, and WebCab has made that possible for us. We deliver many items to clients that we don't produce ourselves but sell, such as sinks, faucets, etc. By adding them into WebCab, they have their barcodes, their labels, and they are delivered at the same time as the rest, which makes it easier to track everything that isn't kitchen cabinets. Sorting is something that has really improved with WebCab. Before, we used to sort in mobile racks, little compartments where we would manually put a piece of tape and write the cabinet numbers one after the other. And someone would go and organize them in the compartments. If you had someone who was a little dyslexic with numbers, you'd end up with several mixed up parts. We never knew if all the parts were in the compartment, and if a piece was missing, it was impossible to know until assembly. We had 15 to 20 of those mobile racks on the floor, which took up a lot of space. By adding WebCab's automated sorting system, we removed all of our mobile racks and added a fixed rack that WebCab helped us design and implement. With that, we reduced the space needed for sorting. And we took it a step further by adding LED sorting. This has helped eliminate any dyslexia-related errors. Even if the screen shows cabinet number 52, it's easy to mistakenly put it in compartment 32. With the light system, we don't have those errors anymore. So it has really improved the sorting process. We no longer have any pieces mixed up in the compartments. That just doesn't happen anymore. The WebCab instructions module is also helpful for training new employees, ensuring they don't miss anything on a cabinet. But even for our long-term employees, when there's something different on a cabinet, like the addition of special hardware that isn't immediately obvious, the instruction module really helps. When we scan the cabinet, it provides the necessary operation for those special details. We didn't include everything in the instructions for all our cabinets to avoid slowing down the process, but we did include specific things in the instructions. That has helped prevent anything from being forgotten. This has really improved customer service. Before, we would deliver a cabinet to a client that was missing hardware because it had been overlooked. Now, when there's special hardware that isn't immediately obvious on the plan, it shows up during assembly. We've definitely saved on service costs by reducing delivery mistakes. We've also improved customer service, as clients are satisfied because their job is delivered with all the necessary hardware.
We had some training with WebCab, and after that, we handled the internal training ourselves. It's still very simple to learn. The software is user-friendly, so it's not complicated, and it's easy to pick up. Every member of the team learned it well. Before we implemented WebCab, nothing was connected, so if we moved a date, it wasn't linked to the other dates, meaning everything had to be manually checked to ensure everything was aligned and nothing was missed. Now it's all interconnected, like a recipe with all the steps and deadlines included. If we change a date for one production step, all the other dates adjust accordingly, making it much easier to track each project. Everything is automated now in terms of planning.
The planning module has made a big difference. It allows us to track every stage of our production. We start right at the measurement stage, which is followed in the planning process. After that, we go through drawings, countertop orders, door orders. Everything is tracked in Planning Assistant. Each person checks off or scans what they need to do at their stage, so we can easily follow the progress of each job.
We have software that truly supports us at every station, tracking progress and advancement. Everything is connected, very easy to use, visual, and extremely helpful.
With the installation of the webcam software, it has truly changed the dynamics of our factory. I believe we couldn't do without it anymore.